Okay guys, we're back on the road, our last day in Padre Burgos. Oh, I freaking love it out here, so beautiful. Here, check out this scene over here. Oh, just beautiful. We rode by here the other day. We've been stranded. The ferries have been down. But yeah, check it out over here, guys. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We are taking you to the beach today. What's the name of the beach, babe?
It's called Mahaba Beach.
Mahaba?
Yes.
Yeah, so stoked, man. It was recommended by the hotel where we're staying at.
I'm surprised the sand there is white.
Oh man, so it was recommended for sunset, good place for sunset. So we cruised down yesterday. We went to a couple places yesterday, and just so nice, man. I can't wait to show you guys. Today the weather is a lot better. We brought the drone with us, so yeah, we should be able to we're gonna hang out here for the day. We got nice beach weather, so super stoked. And then we head back to Butuan tomorrow. But here we are, man, in Padre Burgos, beautiful peninsula area. You can camp out here, man. So we got a lot to show you. Anyways, guys, we'll be right back here. We got about, looks like a 5-minute ride out to the beach, and then we'll be right there. So we'll be right back. Stay tuned. We are here at the beach, man. Just look at this view coming up here. I mean, just unbelievable. I mean, these are some of the most amazing beaches I've ever been to. Yeah, right here is the price of it. What, 20 bucks or 20 pesos? I mean, sorry. Yeah, $20. 20 pesos. You know, whatever, 50 cents or so to chill out here for the day. I mean, look at this place, man. Just gorgeous. A little bit of a low tide. But we've got the drone. We'll come out and we'll show you guys what it's like. You could camp out here, you know, for just a couple of pesos too. Just a couple of bucks. You could just camp and chill. Oh man, yeah, we really were digging it when we were out here yesterday. So yeah, we'll park the bikes and we'll come down. We'll show you guys. So be right back. All right, babe. We're wandering around the beach here. Mary Rose is over here. Checking it out, but guys, this is just amazing. Look down. I'm gonna point the camera down and look. Do you see all those little brown little squirrels? I mean, look, those are starfish. Look at them all. I mean, they're just everywhere. Look at that. Just amazing. Yeah, here's a big one right down here. Look, he's crawling back in his hole. I'm like, oh man, look at that. Yeah. So, and they're just everywhere. I mean, look at them all down here. Yeah, so cool, really beautiful. Lots of sea urchin though too, right? So you have to be careful where you're walking. She's actually after, so I guess there's a couple different kinds of sea urchin. So yeah, here's one right down there, there's one. You can see that little dark object. I don't know how well the camera will pick that up, but yeah, there are quite a few around here actually. In this particular section, there's not too many, but just kind of over here, they're like everywhere. Yeah, you can just see them all. There's a bunch all kind of throughout here, but anyways, we're just wandering around, man. So cool. This is Mary Rose. She loves this kind of stuff, right? She's a fisherman's daughter, so she is loves the water. She was so excited when she found some sea urchin. Now I'm looking for, because I guess there's a couple different kinds. There's one that you could eat, and the other one is not really edible. So she's got a couple of the ones over there that are super delicious. And she always says when she sleeps next to me, it's like sleeping next to a sea urchin. You got a couple, babe?
I got 3.
She's got 3, she says. All right, well, we'll show you all the sea urchins. We'll get the drone up. We got a day at the beach, guys, so stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Look at what I've got.
What'd you get?
2 seashells.
Oh, wow.
They're yummy, and sea urchin.
And a bunch of sea urchin. Oh my gosh, look at that.
This one is so yummy. You just steam it and then
Oh, how cute. So Mary Rose found a couple of sea urchins, I think 3, she said. And she's gonna show me how to open those sea urchins. Here's your microphone, babe. And
so we don't have a knife. I will just
yeah,
use
don't have a knife, so you use a stone.
Yep. I hope it's big inside.
And you found 3 of them. Yeah, look at them. They're hard for me to do. Oh, yeah. So now you.
Oh. You
So
have to take out this. This is a grass. This is what they eat.
Okay.
And then the orange one is the one that's...
The orange is what you eat?
Yeah, it's yummy. Oh my god, it's just so small, but...
I'm sorry?
It's so small,
Ah,
but
yeah.
we don't have a rice.
But you don't have rice.
Oh, it's good.
It's good, huh?
You want to eat?
All right, I'll try just a little piece.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll try just a little piece. Is it better than an oyster or worse than an oyster?
It's better for me.
Just give me a little bit, just a little piece of it. All right, it looks like mango. Yeah, that's not bad.
What's the taste of it for you?
It's actually very much like an oyster to me.
No, it's sweeter to me.
Yeah,
The
no,
oyster
that's
is
actually
not.
really good. I'll take some more. It's I actually like it.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's really good. Let me.
I will look for
Yeah,
more.
that's delicious, guys. Well, foreigner tries his first sea urchin. Yeah, that's delicious. You know what? I'll be honest. It's very much like an oyster to me. Is what like an oyster that I would get down in Florida. Go ahead.
This one is sweeter than the oyster for me, and it's really good with vinegar and rice.
Yeah. I like it just like that, honestly.
No, you have
Maybe a little
it's
cocktail
a rice,
sauce.
rice, and then pour it in the top.
Do you know
and
what
then
cocktail sauce is? Yeah, okay. It's like a horseradish ketchup. That's really good, guys. All right, we're going to keep walking around here. We'll be right back in a little bit. That was really cool how you open that up. But normally you say you open it up with like a knife. And a piece of plywood?
Just knife, oi?
But I saw something. You said there was a piece of wood that they use or something at the last person. Or was that a shell? You mentioned something about wood.
I know. We hatch it and then we just do it like that in a wood. So the salt water will just drip. And then all you have to eat is the sweet because it will make salty when there's a lot of sea water in.
Okay.
So
all right, guys, we're going to wander around here for a little bit. I'm going to get the drone up. We'll show you guys some more stuff. So we'll be back later on. Be right back. back. What a day, man. What a day at the beach. Just gorgeous here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. How did you,
enjoyed
let's just we'll do a recap of the trip, right? I mean, gosh, we started the whole trip. I mean, we went to Palampon, back where you're at.
Yeah, and then sadly the weather is not really good. We come up with a plan that let's leave before it gets dark. So we'll leave Palampon early as expected.
Right.
And we got stuck. We stopped in Ormoc for to rest because the weather is not really good. And then from Ormoc to Padre Burgos. And then we get stuck here in Padre Burgos because there's no trip.
Yeah,
for a
so
boat.
what she's talking about, guys, we've had a lot of problems with the weather. Well, we knew there was a low pressure system in the works, and that can happen this time of year.
Yeah.
You know, it can be a little bit iffy. So, yeah, we had a low pressure system that had everything shut down.
Yeah.
Had all the ferries shut down, all of that. Matter of fact, we just saw some stuff in Cebu. Now that things are opening back up, everyone's
Yes.
trying to get home. All the
my
ferries
God,
are
that's
just
so crazy.
Yeah.
What I saw that post,
Right?
there's a lot of people in there. So,
Yeah.
but it's good to be stuck in this, province like this.
right. Gorgeous out
Yeah.
here, man. Yeah, no, this is cool. This is really, it's been a great trip. I've enjoyed it. We've been stranded here in Padre Burgos for a couple days, but I mean, come on.
Yeah.
You
My
know?
mom was like, good thing you've been stranded in a good province because you have the time to ride around.
Right.
Since the weather here is not really bad as Palampon.
Right. No, it's actually, it's been really nice, especially today. That's why
Yeah.
we extended our stay just a little bit. Because
Yep.
the ferries we did notice were running last night, but we're like, let's just stay, let's chill out, let's have a good time, let's have a day or two of where the weather is just kind of normal. And I'm so glad we did. We got to
Yes.
explore this area.
We
got to
ride
see
the
some
mountain,
really cool.
but we decided not to film it because it's,
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
this beach right here, oh my God, I really enjoyed here. I've been in the sun the whole day.
She's been walking up and down. We've got a ton of footage, obviously, of all of that. So that's just been gorgeous.
Yeah, I got some seashells.
Yeah, I
sea
love the
urchin.
beach, man. I really do.
Oh my
And
God.
this is a beautiful spot. If we'll put up on the map if I haven't already. I can't remember. We've been here all day, right? So it's
Yeah.
hard to remember where the video even started. If I put up a map link already, but if I haven't already, we'll be sure to put up a map link of kind of where we're at.
Yeah, and they can also search in the map Mahaba Beach in Padre Burgos.
Yeah.
It
'Cause
will show.
It's freaking amazing. This,
Yes.
Leyte, I love Leyte.
Yeah.
I really do. Leyte is absolutely just amazing. So I absolutely love it here. Hey, you know what? We actually hit the end of it. Why don't we turn around, walk back?
Shit.
We'll finish talking. This thing will follow us, I think. Freaking rock star. Yeah, just gorgeous, huh?
Oh,
Look at
it's
this.
a-
I mean, look at
Yep.
that. Just epic.
Yeah, earlier we met some family. They get some fish,
Yeah.
seashells, and
Right.
sea urchin. They want you to try it, but we already tried it.
Yeah,
And
for sure.
then they were like, "You are the two person that's been in the sun, and
Right.
then they point me that I've been in the sun the whole day."
Yeah, you've been out kind of
Yeah.
wandering around. I take a little bit of breaks in it. I got to be careful a little
Yeah.
bit. I can tell when I
It's
gotten
too
much.
hot too.
Really, what I should have brought was my hat, but
Yeah.
that's all right. No worries. I
But
sat in the
it's-
shade and looked at this
Yes.
beautiful scene here. I mean, come on, man.
This is
Just gorgeous.
This is nice. It's like a Boracay or Palawan that's not
Beautiful.
known.
Beautiful.
That's where the only one here.
Yeah.
Not a lot of, touristy area.
Yeah, no, this is just absolutely amazing. I'm
like it here.
loving Padre Burgos. Definitely would come back. What I
Yeah.
liked, you could camp right up here on this beach.
Mm-hmm.
They've got camp area. What was the price for camping? Do you remember? Or no? Overnight?
Overnight, 20 pesos per head.
Oh my gosh, it's so cheap.
And then if you want some camping gear, they also provide.
They have camp. Wow. Yeah.
But if you provide your own, you will just pay for the entrance.
Right.
And then we'll be here just day trip, so we
Right.
paid 10 pesos each, which is nice because there's no foreign tax.
Right. Yeah. No, it's really inexpensive, guys. I would love to camp out here. Definitely would come back. I don't know. I do like the idea of the hotel and the shower and the aircon at night. But be nice to put a night or two out camping out here, and then definitely bring the snorkel gear though.
Yeah.
This is a huge area. We've seen it for scuba and snorkeling.
A lot of
what's the Five Snakes Island? What's it?
Limasawa Island.
Limasawa Island is just a big destination too.
Yes.
But you know, there's a lot of diving around here.
Yeah. But we talk about the island if we can bring our motorcycle there, right? Because what if we want to go there?
Yeah. So they said I could bring the scooter, but basically they pick up and carry the bike onto the boat. So that would be a smaller boat. They wouldn't be able to take the NX, but the scooter they could do no problem. So yeah, really cool, guys. Well, I think that's it for this video. We're gonna head on back to we're heading back to Butuan tomorrow.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that'll wrap it up for this video. I thought we'd just kind of walk down, show you guys this beautiful scene here. And then, I mean, it's just gorgeous. I mean, look at this.
It's so nice.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, so I thought we'd just kind of show you guys this and in the video here. Really appreciate everyone watching. Camera's right there, babe. Really appreciate everyone watching. I know it's hard because it's chasing us all around. There it goes again. Really appreciate everyone watching and tuning in. It's just so cool. Remember, if you're not already, check out the Patreon page. It's free to join. We got a bunch of stuff up there, right? A bunch of free content. I do a video every Tuesday, a free video. So just come up there and check it out. So, you know, check. And then what else we got? I got my language app that I'm working on. So, all right, guys, with that said, Ampin, ayawayo.
And feed a good wolf.
Yes, feed the good wolf. We'll see you on the next one. Appreciate it.
So cool.
Oop. Yeah, really good, babe.
So cool, but also I just really my eyes with the sun, it hurts.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What? Oh, really?